Are you looking for the best portable table saws? In this video we will look at some of the best portable table saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Worx WX572L. Weighing just 14.7 pounds, this Worx tabletop saw is one of the lightest and most portable models we have found. This makes it ideal for maneuvering around your workshop or packing up to take it to a different site. The steel rip fence and riving knife will help you make a variety of cuts without having to worry about kickbacks. An adjustable miter will help you make accurate cuts at a range of different angles. The saw's safety features mean you won't need to worry about accidentally activating it. If you are starting a collection of compact power tools, this Worx saw is an excellent option. Thanks to the steel rip fence and riving knife, you will be able to make various cuts with this tabletop saw. It can make straight, wide, long, and short cuts without the risk of kickbacks. The adjustable miter moves from 0 to 60, allowing you to make various cuts from both sides. This versatility means this saw will be suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. Number 2. SKILSOR SPT99. If you have a tight budget but need a powerful portable saw, we recommend this model from SKILSOR. It features a 10-inch blade powered by a 15-amp motor that delivers up to 5,000 RPM, so it should be suitable for the majority of cutting tasks. Users find this saw straightforward to use, thanks to its various user-friendly features. These include support on the left side and a dust port elbow. You can adjust the table quickly and easily to suit different types of wood, so this is an excellent saw for carpenters and woodworkers. Constructed from reliable materials, this table saw stand is both lightweight and durable. It features quick mounts that will help you get it set up quickly and ensure it stays stable during use. A 15-amp motor is ideal for ripping different wood types. It delivers an impressive 5,000 RPM, so you will have enough power for various cutting tasks. The blade has a maximum cut depth of 3.625 inches. Number 3. Goplus 15-amp. If you want a user-friendly, easy-to-use portable table saw, this Goplus model is a great option. Despite its compact size, it has a powerful 15-amp motor that provides 5,000 RPM, enough to cut through tough woods. It is easy to precisely adjust the saw thanks to the large wheel handle. This will allow you to slot, cut, or rip, which means this saw has a surprising amount of versatility. Other features include a transparent guard, a parallel guide, and other components designed to make it as user-friendly as possible. The transparent blade guard keeps you safe while ensuring your saw is still practical. It prevents debris from flying up at you but doesn't block your line of sight, so you will still have a clear view of what you are doing. You can use a large wheel handle to precisely adjust the blade. This makes it easy to configure your cuts and helps you choose from slotting, cutting, and ripping. Number 4. Rockwell BladeRunner. The Rockwell BladeRunner is a small tabletop saw that will be easy to transport to any job location. At just 15 pounds, it is also lightweight enough to be placed on any stable table. Unlike some table saws, this one is suitable for cutting a range of materials, as long as they are less than 1.5 inches thick. Your purchase includes 5 different blades to ensure you have one to cut any material you are likely to encounter. This compact saw also has a dust extraction port, which will allow you to connect a vacuum to keep your workshop clean. This means less cleanup and will also protect your lungs against dangerous dust. Portable table saws are usually quite limited in what they can cut, due to their small blades. However, this saw includes 5 blades that will allow you to choose the right one for a specific job. These table saw blades can be used to cut,